we go. We're going to throw some dry ice in this bucket. What we're doing here, this smoke we've created, or we're in the process of creating, is not smoke. It is mostly carbon dioxide, which is transparent in very small quantities, but does, in higher concentrations, look a bit white. So now we're just going to pour this carbon dioxide into this tank of air. And just let the system sort of come into an equilibrium a little bit. Should do it. Couple things you hopefully notice. There we go. So already what you should notice is that, so initially I was pouring it, the carbon dioxide was sinking. Now what you'll see here is that actually the carbon dioxide is rising right here above the warm water. Well, over here, it is sinking. Now, sometimes I've done this where I've put the carbon dioxide source in the tank, but it seems to work better when I pour it just for this setup. Let's keep adding some more, and then I'll break out the infrared, and we'll see what we can get out of this. All right, here we go. So what you can see now is the warm, what you'll see here is you can actually see convection taking place. Let's see if we can get the focus a little better on this. Okay, that's about as good as it gets. This camera is not so good. So yeah, what we have here is warm air rising in the lower right corner of the tank, moving horizontally across the top of the tank, and then sinking in the on the upper left side towards the lower left side. And what's happening here is you have a heat difference, and that heat difference is energy, can be an energy gradient. And so the transfer of heat from a place where it's warm to a place where it's cold is accomplished by moving mass. And when you put a mass in motion, that creates kinetic energy. This is how turbines work. A number of turbines work this way. This is how our atmosphere works. This is how our mantle works. This is how the outer core works, is this sort of same sort of convection process, this sort of turbine. Now what we're going to do is I'll take a couple pictures of this and post them online. Oh, we're running out of smoke again. Need to give us another shot. It's